Alphabets Party! Hi, everyone. I'm the letter A. Thank you to every one of you for being a part of this special party. A. 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 I am a vowel letter. I have two types of sound, short and long. In my short sound, I sound like apple, apple. Ant, ant. Alligator, alligator. In my long sound, I sound like
A, A, A.
ape, ape.
A, A.
Airplane, airplane. Sometimes you can find me in the middle and at the end. Cake, cake. Panda, panda. Very nice. Let's learn to write both my uppercase and lowercase forms. Uppercase, a slanted line down to the left. A slanted line down to the right. A straight line across the middle. A. Lowercase, a small circle. Add a straight line down. A. Okay, get ready to sing, dance, and shine like the stars you are.
Gather round, let's sing a song about a letter. It won't take long, it's the first of them all. In the alphabet crew, let's give a cheer for letter A. Woohoo! A is for apple, so sweet and so red. A is for ants, marching ahead. A is for airplane, flying so high. A is for adventure, reach for the sky. Too. Letter A shines just like a bright hue. It starts words like alligator and A. With letter A, there's no escape. A is for astronaut, exploring in space. A is for acrobat, stay with grace. A is for anchor, keeping ships steady. A is for awesome, like you are already. A is for artists creating with flair. A is for applause for all to share. A is for adventure around every bend. A is for alphabet from start to end.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching.